Okay, now we have this question to solve. So it is the question is telling that asking us 11 years earlier the average age of a family of 4 members. The average age of a family of 4 members was 28 years. Now the age of the same family with 6 members is yet the same, even when 2 children were born in this period. If they belong to the same parents and the age of the first child at the time of the birth of the younger child was same as their total family members just after the birth of the youngest members of this family, then the present age of the youngest member of the family. So we have to find the present age of the youngest member of the family. Okay, so let the age of the youngest member be X. Okay, so the age of the youngest member is X. Now what data is given that now the age of the same family with 6 members is yet the same, even when 2 children were born in this period. If they belong to the same parents and the age of the first child at the time of the birth of the younger child, that means when the younger child take birth, then what is the age of the first child was same as there were total number of family members. That means when this youngest member has born, then his elder brother is how much? Is 6 years old. Okay, when this youngest member has born, so his age was at that time was 6 years old. Okay, was same as they were total family members. Okay, so what was the age of the elder brother? The age of the elder brother was 6 years. If they belong to the same parents and the age of the first child at the time of the birth of the younger child was same as there were 12 total family members. So how many family members were there? 6 family members, because 2 child has taken birth. So what is the age of the first child? The age of the first child was 6 years. Okay, 6, because after the younger member has born, the total family members has become 6. Now it is asking that then the present age of the youngest member of the family. So it is telling that now the age of the same family with 6 members is yet the same. That means the average is same. So present age of the youngest member is how much? X. Okay, plus what is the age of the elder child? It is 6 plus X, because at present the age of the first child will be 6 plus X. Okay, because X has to be added, because already the youngest member has become X. So automatically the elder brother will be 6 plus X, because when youngest member has taken birth, his age was 6. But now after X years, as his younger brother is X years, it will be 6 plus X. Okay, 6 plus X plus P divided by, what is P? I am explaining you. Divided by how many members? 6 members. So even when 2 children were born, that means the average is same, that is 28. The average is same. So what is P? P is the total age of 4 members of the family. P P is the total age of the 4 members of the family. Which 4 members? These 4 members. That means the number of members of the family that were there before these two child was born. Before these two child was born, first child and the younger child, how many members were there? 4 members. So the P is the total age of the 4 members of the family. Okay. Now what happened? So it was 11 years before. Okay, 11 years before. P is the present. P is the present total age of the family. So what is the age? What is the total age of the 4 members of the family 11 years ago? 11 years. So it will be P. It will be P minus 4 into 11 by how many members? 4 members is equal to 28. The average is same, 28 years. The average is same, 28 years. So the average is 28. So P is the present age minus 4 into 11, because each member of the family will have, I have to deduct 11 years, because what I am because I am writing the equation before 11 years. Okay, so at the 11 years back, what will happen? This present age minus 4 into 11, because each member of the family I have to cut the age of the I have to cut 11 years of each of the 11 years of each of the members of the family. So there are 4 members. So 4 into 11 is, so 4 into 11, that means P minus 44 is equal to, it was a 32 or to the 8, 11, 12. So P is equal to how much? 112 plus 44 is equal to 112 plus 44 is 6, 5, 156. So now we have get the present total age of 4 members of the family. It is 156. Now we will put the value of P here. Let's see what we get. So x plus 6 plus x plus how much? 156 by 6 is equal to 28. Okay. So twice x plus 156 plus 6 is 162 into 28 into 6. So x plus 81, 28 into 6 by 2. So 214. So x is equal to 14 into 6 is how much? 24. So in this is 84. 84 minus 81, that is equal to 3. So 3 years. That means the present age of the youngest member is 3 years. So A will be the answer, 3 years. Okay. So in this way we have to solve this type of problems. Okay.